That's pretty. Wait.
Happy New Year!
Come on. Let's go. Come up here with the kids.
I want to do a snowman. I'll do a snowman with you.
Y'all gonna build a snowman?
I want to try.
And then just, that's all you gotta do. Okay, right back. Let me get
Can I pull it back?
Let mommy go first, okay?
You want to push?
No, I don't need a push.
Okay. Ready, steady, go.
David, move.
There you go.
Snow got in my pants. You ready?
What are you doing, Nico? You working?
Yep.
Ready?
Good job.
Hold on. Okay. Ready? Yeah.
That's my boy. Good job.
Alright, stop. Stop. Okay. 3, 2,
No.
hold on.
Hey, Mom.
Yes?
Watch this.
Good job, puppy. Look at that big boy. Yes?